My name is Natalie Naculich. I'm the Community Board 4 liaison with State Senator Brad Hoylman's office. I'm just so happy to be here to support the work of Midtown South Community Council and this wonderful urban garden that you all have done that brings so much benefit and beauty really to the community and to this block. I think the solution is really community, building community, and making sure everybody has the resources they need, housing and healthcare, education. And Midtown South Community Council is doing really amazing work and a really great resource to the community. So I'm so grateful to be here tonight and glad to support the work, and it's a really great event.
It seems to me you make your life seem like a great tragedy. Why you getting bad? You're laughing at tragic. I ain't afraid to say the mistakes I've made. My turn, you can have it.